This is Taylor's Pride here at Taylor's Homestead. Hey guys, we had one of our babies died last night, guys. One of the babies died last night. Woke up this morning, one of the babies was gone. Don't know what happened. One of the babies had died, guys, and it's pretty rough. So after church, I went to Tractor Supply and bought some more babies that we're going to add to our brooder this afternoon. We're going to add some more chickens to our brooder. Guys, we say thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride. There's Charles, guys.
Hi. We got 2 chickens.
We've got 4 new chickens, Charles.
Yeah.
We got 4 new chickens, Charles.
Yeah.
That we're going to be adding to our brooder today. We got 4 new chickens we're adding to the brooder, guys. So let's turn the light on, Charles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Charles says, yeah, guys. Hey. So we're going to let you see what we got in our box from Tractor Supply. Remember I told you Tractor Supply is one of my sponsors. So they're taking care of my chicken population. Charles, let me see that tripod.
That's yours.
I know it's mine. Let me see it right there. Right here. The black.
Black.
Yes, that thing. So let me see the tripod so we can set the tripod up.
I did.
We're setting the tripod up, guys, so we won't be shaking so much. Charles got his chair, guys. He was sitting there watching the chickens. You were watching the chickens today?
Yeah.
What was the chickens doing? They say what? Chickens say chuck chuck. What does chuck chuck mean?
I did it in there.
All right, guys, so we got some new babies here today from Tractor Supply. Like I told y'all, Tractor Supply is one of my sponsors. And so they're giving me some chickens to be able to brood here. Today, I picked up 2 leghorns and 2 unidentified chicks. So, you know, that could mean male or female. We don't know what they are. But the leghorn chicks are a bigger chick. So I'm happy about that. So we're going to put them in the brooder, guys, so you can see them go in the brooder for the very first time.
Yeah.
Huh? You see it?
Yeah.
All right, come on, Charles. Let's go over here.
Yeah.
There are babies, guys. Y'all see them in there?
Yep. I see in there.
They're moving around.
And you drink the water.
Yep, they are.
You drink the water.
They're drinking their water.
Eat them.
Who opened this thing up? No. No, I don't want this open. No. I don't want this open. No. That does not need to be open. No, don't open that, Charles. Keep that closed. You already see what Charles is messing with the thing while I'm not home, so I'm going to have to move the chickens to outside. All right, guys, so we're putting in our let's turn the light off for right now. Well, we'll leave the light on. We'll leave the light on. All right, so we're putting in the thing. We got some leghorns. And these little birds can actually fly. These are leghorns right here. Here's another leghorn. Putting them in there. We don't know what this is, but we're just going to put it in there anyway.
It's yellow.
Yep, it is yellow.
It's white too.
This one here's a pretty bigger chicken. We don't know what that is, but we're putting them in. All right. So our new chickens have been added to the brooder, guys. We're excited about our new chickens. Our new chickens are in. Let's turn this light on for right now. So it'll cool down.
It is cool.
Huh? It is cool?
Yeah. I like it. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Here are our babies, guys. You can see them inside of our brooder here. It's cool, Charles?
Yeah.
Charles says it's cool, guys.
Hand is that?
Huh?
Yeah. It's right hand.
Yeah. Somebody asked me, Charles, are you going to take care of the chickens? That's what one of our subscribers asked Charles, are you going to take care of the chickens? There are our babies, guys.
A baby who wants to walk in it.
Hey. They're in there moving around. They seem to be doing pretty good.
He can't fly. Like this. He did.
Try to get them to drink some water.
He did. He took it.
So we're just kind of showing them, guys, introducing them to the food.
Yeah, no chickens.
I'll be right back. Charles, talk to our viewers. Tell them hi.
Hi. Use a don't shoot. It's cool, guys. I suppose it's good to do that. I should see guys. Wait, is it run away? It didn't run away. Daddy, the chicken ran away.
Where's my thermometer at?
I'm not hold it.
You did. You had it. Where's my thermometer at? Guys, I was trying to find my thermometer. Charles has moved it and put it someplace, which I'm going to have to put stuff up now. I see that.
It's red.
Where is the thermometer that I had? These are our baby chicks, guys. You can see them. They're getting along pretty good. The leghorns have found the food. The bigger chicks have found the food. So guys, we went from 10 chicks now, we went down to 9 chicks. Now we're up to 11 chicks. No, we're back at 12. We're at 12. I'm sorry. 12. No, 13. 13, because we had 10 first, and then we lost one, so that's 9, 9 and 4, that's 13. So now we got 13 chickens. We've already increased our chickens, guys. We've already increased our chickens already. We're not going to let it stop us. We're not going to let the process stop us, guys. Man, it's a great day outside. I've got to go outside and do some work and get some things prepared together for the homestead outside. But I'm not going to do a lot of work today because it's Sunday, guys, and you deserve to take a break on Sunday. But I just wanted you guys to see the new babies that have arrived to the homestead here. We have new babies here at Taylor's Pride Homestead. Guys, please click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Please smash that like button, please. Smash. Charles, what do you want them to do?
Smash my button.
Huh?
Smash my button.
Come over here and tell them.
Smash my button.
Smash the like button.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yep.
Charles say peace out, guys. As we always, we say thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride Homestead. Huh?
Chicken say peace out.
Chicken said peace out?
Yeah.
Charles said the chicken said peace out, guys.
Peace out.
Peace out. Guys, y'all have a great day. We'll give y'all another, we'll shoot some more content on our chickens. First days of the new chickens at Taylor's Pride Homestead. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.